So welcome back to the channel. Here some people are having multiple queries regarding the Arcade program. So here is a quick video addressing all of your queries. So first query which many people are asking that how to join the game. We don't know about Arcade. What is the program? How will be getting the swags? For that you need to watch this video. I have basically created a complete playlist for the complete program. If you just come over here, I'll share the link in the description how to start and how to complete the program, how many laps you can do in a day, and how to join the games. Okay, how to join the games, complete process. And if you don't want to watch a full detailed video, like you want to just get started by creating account, you can watch this video also. Okay, here I have explained how you can begin your Arcade journey. Coming to the next thing, why you need a new account. Here I have mentioned in simple words. If I have to explain why we are suggesting to create a new account, because if you have already completed some skill badges, then you won't be able to earn more points, as in this time we are expecting 100 Arcade points maximum. So if you have done only Arcade games, then you can continue with the old account. But if you have a new account, then you'll be just safe. Okay, now how to create the Gmail account and Cloud Skills Boost account. If you want that also, we have covered over here. Regarding credits, many of the participants are old and they are having expiring credits in their old account. They can simply share over here. Want to know about the Arcade and Arcade Facilitator program? For that also I have covered in this video. Now coming to some new things, like here many people are asking that here are some spots and deaths remaining. So is that we have to complete the game up until when we have to complete the Arcade game? So whenever you open a game in the Arcade homepage, there will be mentioned start date and end date. You can clearly see this is the end date. It will be ending at 20, I think 31st of January 2026. Also, these are days remaining so that you are able to just calculate it directly. And here are 5175 spots. So what does these spots means? It means seat. Whenever you join the game, if you have watched the solution guide in the channel, okay, we'll talk about it. Then there is a option to join the game. When you join the game, you occupy a seat. So it's like you booking any railway ticket or any movie ticket, you must have occupied a spot. Similarly, when you join the game, you occupy a spot. What happens? These spots change to zero. More spots will be added. Do not worry if you are seeing this video later. So I hope it clears your basic doubts. Coming to the solution, how to complete all these labs. Okay, you have to come to the master sheet. Currently avoid the skill badges, pre-assessment and lab free courses. Only complete the monthly games. And you'll click on monthly games. You'll be redirected to particular sheet. Here all the games are mentioned over here. Here next to it is the solution guide. You have to simply click on this playlist and just follow the videos whatever I have shared. Okay, just follow the videos like this. You have to follow all the videos and complete all the solutions. And if you still face issue, you can comment down below. So this was a quick update regarding the Arcade program, how to begin your journey. If you still have any doubt, you can just check the playlist and more videos will be added in this playlist. Better bookmark it or just save the playlist so that you get every updates directly. So thank you guys. Have a great day ahead. Do like the video and subscribe the channel.